I am Hasul Gupta from class 8th A. I am speaking on Independence Speech. So let's start. The week leading up to 15 August, landmark day of our Independence Day. On this day, roads of India are enhanced with tricolors. All the organizers, schools and institutions are celebrating the Day of Freedom. But few are the people who actually understand the true importance of it. Independence Day is the most significant day in the history of Indian because it reminds us of the bravery and struggle of our freedom fighters. On this day, we pay homage to our fighters who fought and gave up their lives for our independence. Since then, we are celebrating our Independence Day every year on 15 August. It is considered a national holiday, and all the organizations and institutions hoist the national flag and organize culture functions across the country. This day is celebrating to ignite the feeling of nationalism and patriotism across the country. Every citizen has a different viewpoint of independence. A youngster takes this day to celebrate the glory and strength of the country, while for others it's a reminder of the long suppression and cruelty that our people suffered. It's not only a celebration of independence but also of unity with the diverse culture of the country. For about 2 centuries, the Britishers managed to rule over us. Also, the residents of the nation endured a lot because of this oppression. British authorities deal with us like slaves until we figure out how to retaliate against them. We battled for our freedom, yet work vigorously and magnanimously under the direction of our pioneers Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, and Bhagat Singh. A portion of these pioneers picks the way of violence, while some pick non-violence. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you.